Closer to home, a contagious disease is quietly making its way through the Roanoke Valley once again. According to the Virginia Department of Health, 6 cases of whooping cough have been diagnosed in Roanoke this year. Now, that is almost double the normal number of cases documented annually. There is a vaccine for whooping cough, and doctors are asking patients to get their kids fully vaccinated before school starts.
Typically, kids might get their boosters and their back-to-school doses when they go to see the physician for their annual physical. But if they're in between times for that annual physical, they can certainly contact the local health department and get their dose.
Whooping cough cases can be more severe in babies and young children who have not been vaccinated.